W What's up, guys? Um, Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a button that if you press it, it shows a GUI or makes a sound, like I did. Wait, it's not playing. We will do that later. Wait. Just wait, okay? And if I press this one, it makes a sound. I'm pressing it. Then it will show us. The first thing is to make your screen GUI in the starter GUI and make a frame or image frame or text. I don't know. Bet which one, okay? Then you make a button in the frame or a image label. Make a local script and just press the plus icon and press local script. Then you might see this. You drag this like this, or press Control A and delete everything. Not there. And say and type local dot is space sound, or just did like this, and equals script.parent parent dot sound. No. Just do like this and find the first child and do and this and this and oh, we have to insert a sound. I will make a sound. I will do this sound, and if you press there, just type sound, or what you call it, like I'll call it error sound. What's error sound? And make another variable and make button equals script dot parent. And once you did it, then do this button dot mouse button one click dot wait, I forgot it. No. Then you make this two dots and type connect and type function and this and press there and press enter. and type sound dot no, two dots play, and here you go. It will make a sound. But we forgot something. A GUI. So wait. There. Oh. Functions and variables. So now we know what to do. Now we know which one is which one. So local local show frame equals what? Nope. We make it script dot parent dot parent dot parent and it's done. And we make an error. I'll make an error frame. Nope, not this. We are gonna set up this. We're gonna do this. And we're gonna copy the line and paste it. And we're gonna put it right over to the error frame, and we're gonna scale it. Yeah. Like this, and this, and I'll make a destroy, so it will destroy, and I will delete the error sound, and we're gonna make a type we can't close the window. So it should be here. Then we should make the background transparency to 1, and we're gonna make the it will be the text scale, and we are gonna hide this error frame. Visible is off. So we are gonna make this a local script, and we're gonna be doing this. Find the first child, error frame, yeah. And once you did that, then it will show frame dot visible and equals to true, yeah, and this, and we now we're done with this. Now we're gonna do the next one next. next thing, we are gonna fix the error frame, and we are gonna make a script again. We are gonna delete this, and the variable I don't know how to type. Like this? I don't know. And we're gonna type local button equal script.parent. Wait, the button, and we're done with this, and we're gonna make this functions. Now we are gonna make this button dot mouse button one click and connect, and function, and like this, and script dot parent. Wait, I forgot something. Local frame equals script dot parent. Oh, wait, we got a problem. Wait, error frame is visible. Where's the close button? We're gonna make this. Now there is it. There's the button. Script dot parent and dot parent and this, and find first child error frame. Yeah. Now we make the frame dot visible visible wait, what? Yeah. Frame dot visible equals false. Yeah. Let's see if it's working. Wait, I'm gonna make this. We're gonna fix this. Now it's done. Let's gonna make the frame not visible, and we're gonna make this. Now we started it. Let's try. Oh, we close it. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it for guys. I hope you enjoy. That's how you make a button that makes a sound and a GUI. Learn more and I make some. You can make them, but if you have a problem, then just comment in this video if there's a problem with scripting, with the script. Okay. I hope you enjoy. Bye.